Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine if your computer is compatible with Bluetooth or if it's built into your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the easiest way to determine if your device is Bluetooth capable is open up the search menu, search for Device Manager. Best result should go back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. If you see a Bluetooth section up here, it means your device should be compatible with Bluetooth, so that's probably the easiest way. Another way you can try and look into this would be to open up the search, type in settings, best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go ahead and select up at the top left, go ahead and left click on it. And it's like this is basically the menu icon, it's 3 horizontal lines. And then you want to select Bluetooth and devices, go ahead and open that up. And now if you want to add a device, you can click this add device button or click this plus add device here. And at this point, if it's letting you try and connect a Bluetooth device, your computer should be Bluetooth compatible. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.